Hey guys, so winter is going to be on its way before you know it, and today we thought it would be a great opportunity to show you how to get a flake-free and itch-free scalp using the new Dove Dermacare shampoos and conditioners. So thanks to Dove for sponsoring this video, and we're also going to be showing you how to get tangle-free, moisturized strands using the same Dove Dermacare line. So if you guys want to see how to get a healthy scalp and healthy strands for your winter wash days coming up, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Dove Dermacare Coconut and Hydration Anti-Dandruff Shampoo and Conditioner. But before I do that, I'm going to be rinsing out all the product that I had in my hair from my previous wash and go. So of course I'm going to be starting with the Coconut Hydration Shampoo. I love the smell of this. It has a very sweet, crisp lime smell with a hint of coconut. Very fresh, very clean, and it's perfect for winter. So I'm just going to be massaging that into my scalp. As you guys can see, I do only massage my roots. Kelsey and I both do. If you guys have read our book, then you know why we only shampoo our roots. And as you can see, even though we only start shampooing the roots as you rinse out the shampoo, the rest of the hair does get clean. But I love this Dove Dermacare shampoo because it does have parenthine zinc in it. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's really good for declogging your follicles, and it does help reduce hair loss as well. I also love the Dove Dermacare shampoos and conditioners because they're an all-in-one scalp care solution. So it's like a one-stop shop. You don't have to use multiple products to get a healthy scalp and healthy strands. Okay, so the next step, of course, is conditioner, and I'm going to be sectioning my hair with a coconut hydration conditioner because this is the key to having tangle-free hair, especially if you have curly hair and if you have a lot of it. So I'm starting from the bottom and working my way up. This is how I like to detangle my hair. So just finger raking the conditioner through. I love this conditioner. It has really great slip, very moisturizing, very nourishing, and it smells bomb. I'm obsessed with the smell. Dove always has amazing smelling products. Kelsey and I have been using Dove shampoos and conditioners for years. So as I'm finger raking this, the rest of the product underneath is sitting in my hair longer. So also sectioning helps to let the conditioner sit in your hair longer. So this takes me about 3 to 5 minutes, and that's the perfect amount of time to let the conditioner sit in your hair. Also, this coconut and hydration line is really good if you only have very mild dandruff. I don't have very severe dandruff. So after rinsing out the conditioner, my hair just feels super soft, super nourished, really healthy, but still clean and refreshed. My scalp feels amazing from the parenthine zinc, and it just feels really nice and balanced. Okay, so now that you guys have seen my winter wash day routine, it's time to move on to Kelsey's shower, and she's going to show you how she does hers using the Dove Dermacare Dryness and Itch Relief Anti-Dandruff Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo and Conditioner, but I'm going to be using the Dryness and Itch Relief formula because you guys know that I do suffer from a dry, itchy scalp. So usually when it gets colder outside, my scalp tends to get even more dry and itchy than it usually is. So it's very essential for me to use an anti-dandruff shampoo, especially around this time of year. I love that the shampoo cleanses my hair without drying out my scalp or my strands. That's always great because sometimes it's hard to find that balance with the shampoo, but this one is perfect because it has that nice creamy color and texture. So when I see that, I usually know that it's not going to dry out my hair. So the Dermacare line uses a pH balance formula so you can achieve dandruff-free hair and a healthy scalp, because you can't grow healthy hair without a healthy scalp first. So now I'm just going to rinse the shampoo out, and as you can see, the shampoo is rinsing right through my strands. So I usually find it pointless to put the shampoo on my ends because it's going to end up touching my ends anyway, and my hair always gets just as clean when I just shampoo my roots versus my entire head. So I get a lot of questions still as to why we shampoo our roots, and it has helped so much over the years in growing out long hair. Okay, so now moving on to conditioner. You usually don't see a lot of conditioners that have an anti-dandruff formulation that also helps with frizz, and this conditioner does do that. It's really great for detangling as well, as you see me doing. So I usually only like to finger detangle. I'm not really a comb type of girl. When I'm detangling my hair, my fingers do the job just fine. Unless I was straightening my hair. Usually when I straighten my hair, I do use a wide tooth comb to detangle because I have to do that before I go in and blow dry. But you guys know when it comes to a wash and go, I only use my fingers. So usually when I'm finger detangling in the shower, I like to part my hair down the middle, as you can see, and just work the conditioner through each side of my head. So I like to focus on one side at a time, and this usually works just fine for me. So I don't section or anything like Kendall does. So as you can see, we do two different things in the shower. So I'm just working that conditioner through and making sure my hair is nice and saturated. And this is a completely separate step from deep conditioning, by the way. We're kind of extra, so conditioning and deep conditioning for me are two different steps. So yeah, now I'm just going to work that through, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. And I have to say, once I rinsed out the shampoo and the conditioner, my scalp and my hair felt so much better, because at this point I hadn't washed my hair in about 3 weeks, so it was way overdue. So the Dove Dermacare is a solution for flake-free as well as tangle-free hair that is well nourished. So thanks again to Dove so much for sponsoring this video. And you guys be sure to shop Dove Dermacare using the link in the description box below. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one.